Hey guys, Carlos here. I just wanted to give you a brief update on the two trades that we're in that I'm in, the AU and the US CAD. US CAD looking like it's trying to find support in this area in these prices, and it seems to be going up, as planned, and hopefully it'll go up to our close to our take profit area, and so we can you know, uh, get out in good, uh, pretty good profit area. So, just think about the what we're doing together here. It's a lot of people. You listen to a lot of people and you get confused and you start going to these trades where you're going long on stuff that it's going short. Not that we know we know exactly where the market's going to turn, but you gotta realize that uh, you know the the big institutions are moving these markets. So you know uh, I believe that there is somebody that a company or a big institution that knows where the market is. Unfortunately, that's not being shared with us retail traders, no matter what anybody says. But the good thing about it is that we can follow them. So as long as we can follow them and like this area of support that I'm looking at, especially on the US CAD, I think it's going to go up a little bit higher. God willing, we'll be able to get out in the 1.2700 area is what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking that we should get out. But the thing is that we focus on the higher time frames to give us a roadmap of where the lower ones are going. So for you to be looking at the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, sometimes even the hour chart, it's better to look at the 4 hour and above. So that'll give you an idea of where the roadmap, where the markets are going. Now the moves are a little bit more significant than the smaller time frames, but at least it'll give you an idea of where you're going, and just play your cards right. Right now, like I said, we're US CAD. It's looking like we're going to go up. On the higher time frame. So I'm looking to get 127 1.2728 area. But again, like I said, I have a couple of I have a few positions in there, and I think I'd be happy. I think I'm at you know close to it's about 380, 380 pips, and a lot of times we can get out of there. I mean, I'm happy with anything close to 500 pips, especially when it's from one day to another. But we're trying to maximize our pips. So the more pips we get, uh, the better, of course. But the thing is, you got to realize this. Once I say something, to you guys, it's not, not because I'm just trying to guess. It's different areas of the market that I think it's going to be, either a resistance or a support area where it can bounce off. And if we're short, and I say, okay, I'm closing, and I'm go ahead and go, long. Um, you know, yeah, maybe in the higher time frame it's still going down, but in the lower time frames, I could see that there's an area of support or resistance where we need to be careful. Now, it doesn't mean that the trend has changed from the longer time frame, but it just means that there's going to be a bounce, significant bounce that we can take advantage of and make some pips on there. So anyway, US CAD, long, and AU we're going short on that, and they're both looking okay so far. And so you all have a great time, you guys. And this is for a group that all you guys, just wanted to say, checking up on you guys, making sure everything's all right, and we'll take it from here. I do have a couple of projects that I'm working on that's keeping me busy from uh, you know, uh, but the nice thing about this is it's it's doable. It's real doable when you're looking at the higher time frames, because that's the other thing, especially you guys that work, that are working full time and don't have time to be looking at the markets every single. I mean, I know we have our phones, but it's not the same. You can't. You're just looking at the phone. It's like you don't want to have a heart attack every time you see like, oh, we're at a loss, or oh, okay, cool. We're up in pips. If you're in the higher time frames, it gives you the opportunity to live your life and not having to worry if it retraces, let it retrace. We'll go up. Uh, with the market flow. So it's all about uh, looking at time frames and making sure that especially we got to look at the news. We got to look at the technical analysis and all that. So it's a matter of it's not just a matter of let me get in the market because I think it's going to go there. That can get you in trouble. So you got to look at everything. Keep on saying that I'm a technical person, but at the same time, yeah, I got to be wise and use, the news forecast and, you know, something pops up all of a sudden, it's going to move the markets. I'll let you guys know. But at the moment, I think uh, you know, we'll be okay. So anyway, you all have a good day and we'll talk to you later. All right. Take care.